Delicious crispy tacos made on the Blackstone. Let me show you how I like to do it. Now the debate is always flour or corn.
Flour.
Corn. Got some beef, we're gonna go down, start browning that up. We're gonna season it with some Blackstone seasonings here, it's super delicious. Now, we've got some oil that's been heating up at 165. Start the taco making process. Now, pro move, have a taco rack available so you can hang them and then season as they're starting to dry and drain. This is a little bit of a laborious process, but when you hear the crunch, I promise it's worth it. Now build it how you like, but I've got this beef that I've added some green chili in. We're gonna do some cheese. I made some fresh pico. We got a little crema. We got a little this. We got a little that. The important part is that your taco is delicious and crispy, made to order. Come at me in the comments, crispy tacos over soft corn tacos.
Flour?
No flour. Flour's not even part of the equation.
Flour.
What's going on around here?
Flour?
Flour.
This is madness.
Flour.
Whose show is this?
Flour.
Flowers. And
Welcome to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. Right over here is Nate. Right over there is Ethan. And right over there is your corn flour. Corn flour.
Corn flour blue.
Always blue.
Can't
Always
see that
blue.
color.
always blue. Stay always blue.
So glad that you guys are with us. If this is your first time watching, grab something to sip on, because every time the bell rings, an angel gets its wings, and we have ourselves a nice little time here. Oh, so sweet.
Friend.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
Oh, my battery's dead.
Oh my God.
I edit this, so I can just like take this out.
Y'all fools be crazy on the flour talk, but let's talk about beef. We're gonna be doing some crispy beef tacos.
Where's the beef?
It's 90-10, I think, beef. You know, I love to do chicken tacos, but today, beef just felt right. So let's cut to the chopping montage. All right, a little bit of seasoning. Gonna hit this with some street taco seasoning.
Two different seasonings today?
Yes, oh.
This one's open.
I'm done standing here with a bunch of idiots.
There we go. Gonna hit it pretty heavy with the street taco. And give it a little top. Oh, there's the aromas. It's hitting.
There's a flavor.
Flaming Dr. Peppers. Now over here, to my right, I have an aluminum tin pan that I filled up with oil earlier and was preheating. I've got it about the 165 to 170 marker. We're gonna make our own taco shells.
Oh, fun.
Yes.
Making your own Vinny shells?
All right, let's give this a run, shall we? Okay. Now the magic of taco shells.
What's the magic?
You gotta hold on to one side,
Okay.
and then you dip.
That's right, my dear. Enough to dip Toontown off the face of the earth.
And literally, this is the lengthiest process of this whole thing is going to be
what about
making
the
your own
part
shells.
that's behind your tongue?
You just got to give it a second here, guy. I'm showing you. So get halfway in. You got to dredge it, get it nice and toasty. And then once this side has had a chance to get a little crispy, you drop it, you flip it, you shoot it, you kaboot it.
We're gonna work on that some more later. It's a very long shake. Get going.
And then we're literally going to form our own shells this way. It's going to take about 10 minutes.
That's gonna take. Wait, you leave?
No,
it
we're
in
going to be making multiple shells.
Oh.
So we'll be
Where
back
are you
when
gonna
we
put that?
Just give it a second, guy.
All right.
Jeez, be patient. Okay, it's really gonna take some time.
One eternity later.
All right, Andy, will you do me a solid and bring over our said taco rack?
Your assistant.
You just set that right over here, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, as far away from my camera as possible.
I was gonna put
It turns out your camera's
on
mobile.
the griddle, so there's no grease drippage on this nice thing.
Yeah, we're gonna drippage here,
Okay.
and then we're gonna get it. We're gonna hang it. It's
Drip.
drip. And check it out. While it's
Oh, that's a good promo right there.
we're gonna season just a little bit here, and we're gonna repeat the process. So let's ring it and bring it real quick,
Okay.
because I'm parched.
We need another montage.
Yeah, and then we're gonna cut to the montage. Everybody loves a good montage, right?
I think I know just what we need.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I'm famished. One more little step here in our beef.
Did you say you're famished?
He's vanished.
I'm vanishing.
See?
I'm famished.
The
I'm
vanisher.
famished.
Oh, I get it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, green chili, baby.
Why do you
A lot of times
always
I'll do
this?
I'll do onions, but today, because I was cooking and Nate was gonna be involved, I figured I'd
Should have
just
done onions.
lay it on thick, go for some delicious green chili, and that is set, my friends. I think it's time to ring it or bring it, because we have been hustling, and
Working up a sweat.
God bless you.
allergic to hard work. Huh?
Jeez.
Jeez, this guy. Here we go. It's time to...
Is there a cat in here? I'm gonna. You're gonna.
Okay, so let's get our crispy tacos over here. We're gonna give them a little flip. Oh, wow. It's leaving some room for some airflow underneath right there.
That's nice.
I would push down, but then that would be unfortunate.
Oh,
Poor unfortunate souls.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, let's
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go ahead.
whoa,
If you
going
dare.
ahead. Yeah, sorry, there's not really the cleanest way of doing this. Well, maybe there is, I just don't know it, or I'm not gonna do it. That's probably it. That guy could use a little bit more beef. After all, it is what's for dinner. Now, wait a second.
What?
Gotta get a little spoon, and
Why a spoon?
Because it holds stuff better.
You twit.
I'm gonna squeeze a little lime juice into our Pico over here. I know, obviously, as you can see, I pre-diced, I pre-sliced, did all the things ahead of time. Woo. We're gonna do a little pinch of some.
I like your salt and pepper holders.
Whoa, thank you. Oh, you know what? My wife made these.
I know.
Yeah, she, you know,
Great.
like one of those little wine and pottery classes.
Wait a minute. Do you drink wine first?
I think she did. Yep.
I'm just kidding, Mickey. I'm kidding.
No, he's not kidding, baby. That's okay though. It's got
She'll never see
Character.
this, it's fine.
it's got character. That's right.
Ditto.
Gonna do a little taco seasoning. Oh wait, little bit of a little Charlie.
Whoa.
A little mixage. Now, I guess the question is, do I really need lettuce with this?
You put lettuce on your taco always?
White boy!
No, not always.
How authentic of you.
Dude, all right, so this is super gringo taco, and I'm fine with that. Like, I have zero issues with that.
I said white boy!
We're gonna cheese me Seymour,
Okay, a little queso.
a little queso. This will be our kind of our base. We might do some more on top.
All right.
Let's do a little bit of pico,
Pico, pico.
a little picage.
You can hear him, right? You can hear him talking.
I honestly, I feel bad because like Karina has shown us how to make some really, really good, like definitely more on the authentic side of things,
Yeah,
tacos.
she takes 47 minutes to make shells too, I think, though.
Oh man, I really hate you.
What?
Have I mentioned that lately?
No, just
No,
sorry.
I haven't.
37.
I haven't mentioned that lately.
You were my brother, Anakin.
And I think I've got one more thing I'm gonna do.
What is it?
I'm gonna do a little drizzle of this crema.
Nice.
Yes, thank you, sir. Let's see how drizzly she is.
How drizzly?
Yeah,
Was that the test drizz?
that was the test drizz. Here we go.
I don't
Okay.
like that.
Yeah, well.
It's just the way it is.
Okay.
And we got this guy right here.
What about this gem?
Yep. Got a little dash, if you will, perhaps. A little dash of this flavor bomb.
As if. Stacy Dash.
Oh.
That was a.
Oh wow.
Haha, nice joke.
Just like that, you've got some delicious gringo tacos ready to go south of the border.
We're down here in
Florida.
Speaking of Florida, hey CJ, did you know?
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Do you know which U.S. state has the longest amount of what's it called?
Wow.
Coast,
Do you
that's it.
know?
Do you know which state has the longest amount
I'm
of
gonna
coast?
go out on a limb here and say Florida.
No, it's actually Alaska. Florida is the second longest.
Oh,
That
thanks.
was a lot of fun. I'm
Well,
really glad we did that.
yeah, me too.
Ah.
Oh man, you are one pathetic loser.
No offense.
So the ancient art of crispy beef tacos, obviously authentic. And let's just circle back, leave it in the comments. Crispy tacos or soft tacos? And corn or flour?
Benny shells all day.
I'm gonna go with this little guy right here in the middle. Now,
Malcolm is his name.
what?
Malcolm is his name.
That was close.
That was really good.
Thank you.
Crispy. Now they might fall apart because
They're so crispy.
they're so crispy.
And delicious.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Whoa. Crunchtown population you, bro.
I know, right?
Right.
These are delicious. Obviously, stack them up with whatever you want. Chicken, beef,
For pork.
pork, maybe.
Thank you.
But crispy tacos all day long. Leave it in the comments. But speaking of comments, my friends, it is time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
These tacos were good. You know what they could have used, though?
Flour, tortillas.
Dude, that's just ridiculous.
Oh.
And that's not.
Why'd you wait until after I ate it to whip that out?
Because I forgot I had it in my pocket. So glad that you guys made it to the segment of the show
Segue.
where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers. If you guys write it,
We read it.
that's right, and we have some fun. And so here we go, starting from the top in no particular order. This comes in from Lander Garland.
Hey, Lander.
Lander.
Okay.
I barely know her. CJ's a freaking idiot.
Wow.
Love you, Lander.
Whoa, slow down, guy.
Wow.
Jeez.
More like a crash lander. Am I right?
Oh, okay.
Am I right or am I right? Oh, it's Homelander. He was
Substitute teacher. Prison barber.
flying. Nice.
Huh?
What's the rest one?
Lion, crying, spine, prine, ultra pig.
You lewd, rude, crude, baggery, chewed food dude. Boom! Okay, this next one comes in from Narbekarn.
Not gonna work here anymore anyway.
I love that they're having fun while cooking. Too many I love that they're having fun while cooking. Too many are serious in the kitchen. Garlic, herb, butter, based is the move. Darn right, Narbekarla Turret.
Man, is it really that long?
Yeah. There's a lot.
Yeah, I can't focus on that.
Yeah.
I need glasses.
It's also at the bottom of the screen, so.
Better. Thanks. Hang on. Oh, wow. You can really see. Wow.
You wouldn't hit a guy with glasses, would you? You hit a guy with glasses. That's well played.
Wow. You are blind.
Yeah, I know. All right, this last one comes in from Jojoa.
Hey, Jojo.
Yeah. I'm not a guy, but I'm the barbecue queen here at my house. I love my
right on,
Blackstone,
Jojo.
and I have made several of your recipes and loved them all. Boom!
Heck yeah.
I love to hear that.
Jojo for the win.
Jojo for
Or
the
is
win.
it CJ for the win. And Jojo made.
And it's got to be your bowl.
Oh.
And that is how we wrap up this episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. Guys, be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and all other recipes related to the Blackstone. Could be pellet, could be griddle, could be pizza.
It could
get
be
a lot.
authentic Mexican food with Karina.
Could be Taco Bell hot
You
sauce.
have more? What are you doing? Never know what he's doing.
I don't know what he's doing. Also, if you've got something you want to put up on the OG board, you could do so. You got my boy.
Oh, hey, right on.
Griddlemore. Camp Griddlemore. Where are we gonna go? Yeah, right.
Oh, that's just
Right
messed
there.
up.
There we go. Perfect.
Just.
But in the meantime, remember, folks, this is CJ's First Cooking Show, where we cook.
We quote.
That's right.
Nothing to see.
Nothing to see. Nothing to see, huh? Nothing to see, huh? All right, bye.